3, 2, 1, 0.
First exercise, supinal twist, yoga pose, right side. Do it for 30 seconds, also known as Supta Matsyendrasana. It is a yoga pose that gently twists your spine. Here's a quick breakdown. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Bend your right knee and hug it to your chest. Gently lower that knee across your body to the opposite side. Extend your right arm out to the side, palm facing up. Turn your head to gaze over the outstretched right arm's shoulder.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Second exercise, supinal twist, yoga pose. Repeat on the left side.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Third exercise, Namaskar Asana, yoga pose in a seated position. Do it for 40 seconds. Sit on the floor with your legs crossed. Bring your palms together in front of your chest in a namaste or prayer position. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, bend forward from your hips, keeping your spine straight. Lower your torso towards your legs and slide your hands down, palms together until they reach the floor in front of you. Press your elbows against your inner knees, creating resistance, and gently push your chest towards your thighs. Hold the pose for a few breaths, keeping your spine straight and your gaze forward or down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The fourth exercise, hamstring stretch on right side. Do it for 30 seconds. Lie on your back with both legs extended. Keep left leg straight. Reach behind your right leg's thigh and grasp your hamstring. Gently pull your right leg towards you until you feel a stretch in your hamstring.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fifth exercise, hamstring stretch. Repeat on the left side.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sixth exercise, Parasva Balasana, yoga pose, right side, also called thread the needle pose. Do it for 35 seconds. Begin on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Slide your left arm forward and extend your right arm out to the side. Thread your right arm under your left arm until your right shoulder and ear are on the mat. Keep your left arm flat on the mat beneath you. Breathe deeply and hold the position for a few breaths. Slowly release.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Seventh exercise, Parasva Balasana, yoga pose. Repeat on the left side.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Eighth exercise, Superman chest stretch. Do it for 45 seconds. Lie face down with arms and legs extended and forehead resting on the mat. Slowly lift your arms, chest and legs toward the ceiling as high as comfortable. Hold the position, gazing at the floor to keep your neck neutral. Focus on squeezing your back and butt muscles as you hold. This exercise helps strengthen the back, glutes and core muscles, aiding in posture and back pain relief.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Ninth exercise, elbow back stretch. Do it for 40 seconds. It is an exercise that primarily targets the chest and shoulder muscle. Here's how to do it. Stand with your shoulders relaxed and your arms at your sides. Slowly squeeze your shoulder blades together, pulling your elbows back as far as possible without arching your lower back. Hold the position for 2 to 3 seconds, focusing on squeezing your shoulder blades together and keeping your chest lifted. Slowly release the contraction and return to the starting position. The key points are to keep your shoulders down and avoid shrugging. Maintain good posture without arching your lower back.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
10th exercise, cat stretch. Do it for 40 seconds. To do the cat stretch, start on your hands and knees with your wrist directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest. Imagine you are pulling your belly button up towards your spine. Hold this position for a few seconds. Then as you inhale, arch your back, lowering your belly towards the floor, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling, creating a concave curve in your spine. Repeat these movements, flowing smoothly between the two positions.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
11th exercise, wrist extensor stretch. Do it for 35 seconds. With this stretch, you can stretch the wrist extensors. This stretch targets the muscles on the back of the forearm. Start by placing your palms together in front of your chest, then move them upright while keeping the wrist closed. You should feel a gentle stretch along the back of your forearms. This stretch can help improve flexibility and reduce tension in the wrist extensor muscles. Remember not to force the stretch and to listen to your body to avoid injury. These exercises can be beneficial for neck, back, and overall body toning. However, I suggest performing these exercises for less than 10 minutes every morning to prevent muscle stiffness and start your day on a good note. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out these two videos next. Thank you for your support.